Look at you, needing me. I know I'm not your friend, but that's some greenery. He should know better. Okay. Oh, what's that? Fishy smile. Your cover up is caving in. Man, I'm such a fool. Why are you saving him? What? Hillsburg, California. My turn to ignore. Yeah. So, if you guys haven't guessed by the thumbnail, the title, and that beautiful, like, classical piece that I just gave you guys, Mozart could never. I am doing a full DIY costume. We're gonna do the costume and like the makeup and everything on All the Good Girls Go to Hell. Sorta. Kinda. Not really, but close enough. Alright, my name is Courtney Lake. If you don't know, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And what other stuff should I say? Whatever else there is to do.
A lot of people are going to go as you for Halloween.
Think?
Yeah, I was reading an article all about it. What do you think is the best Billie Eilish look to go as for Halloween? There's so many good ones to choose from.
I think that's up to whoever wants to do it.
Oh, I'm going to do All the Good Girls Go to Hell because that's the most recent and I think it'll be the most fun. I got my eyebrows on. They're ready. I'm going to do a little bit spicy with the eyes. Just spice it up. Alright, I'm just gonna base it up. Really just nice little base. So I got this, like, this is basically this Wet n Wild like paint pot in black. We're gonna be pretty much using this for the entire look. Okay, so I got this little tiny brush here. Can you guys see that? And I'm gonna go ahead and just make a floating line. Oh my. Okay. Yep. Don't close your eyes after you do this because it will smudge. Those don't match. Alright, we're gonna do my face, just basic face makeup, and then we're gonna come back. Alright, yeah, I had to scratch that entire little eye thing because that was looking nice. So we just did a black liner. Okay, we have our lashes on, we have our base on. I didn't really like put a ton of highlight, none of that other stuff on because I just did a little bit of bronzer, kind of just quickly because it's not really gonna matter in a second. But now it is time for the fun part. Alright, I got my handy dandy spray bottle. We're gonna start to spray the hell out of my hair. So most people who do this, they have straight hair or they use a wig, but we're gonna use curly hair today. So I'll be back in about 5 hours. All right. Whew. My arm is getting tired. Gaining some muscle. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and change out of this white t-shirt that I'm currently wearing into I just got foundation into a different white t-shirt. Alright, now we're gonna take our gel and a nice like thick chunky brush here, and I'm literally gonna just kind of and this is where I transform into a condom. Now I got this weird like mane in the back. Honestly, I'm gonna take a big glob in my hand and I'm just gonna like do it as if I were about to do like a tight ponytail. Alright, can you guys see that? We got our weird chalky stuff, hair chalk. It's like hair, it's like washout hair. I'm just gonna start to like put it into my into my edges. It's probably not gonna look that different because your girl already has like black roots, but I'm gonna messily put it into my roots, really. And it doesn't matter if it gets on the white shirt. That's why I put the white shirt on, because we want the white shirt to be messy. So basically I just kind of put it around my hairline. This actually makes my hair look really healthy and shiny, like my roots, like with all the gel. Now I'm basically taking the stuff I used earlier with this little paintbrush. You can use like a regular brush. Just painting my edges, kind of like swooping them. Let's do our neck too. And we're gonna kind of just sticking my, okay, I was like pounding the hell out of my throat. Now I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of like just smudge it so it doesn't look like as brush strokey. And I'm gonna start to like rub it onto my t-shirt, onto the shoulders. Can you guys see that? Now I'm gonna start to draw like the individual drips. So I'm gonna use this little guy here that we were using earlier. Here we go. I'm gonna just go straight on through my eyebrow. Oh yeah, and if you mess up, just take that other line and make another drip, because you know how like drips connect. So it's kind of free range. I'm just kind of making like bubbly, and then I'm gonna connect underneath. Okay, I don't know, it looks kind of weird like with this around it like that, so we may have to fix that. We probably are gonna have to like smudge that a little bit more, but so far the drips are looking good. Just kind of make the spot where the drips are super, super dark. What was that dot? I just put it on my face. Oh, we're gonna have to cover that up. What the heck? I didn't know my hand was freaking dirty.
Okay, so we're gonna have a little more drips than we intended.
I'm just gonna take my fingers and just kind of like smudge everything so it looks realistic. And I'm just gonna add some bobby pins to my hair because my hair is so thick. I'm gonna just add some bobby pins right here. And then I'm gonna put some drips on my neck. So basically I'm gonna take the bigger like paintbrush. There's nothing left to say. Okay, now we're gonna go outside because we're gonna start to add drips to the shirt and to our handy dandy wings. So I did actually get these wings from Michael's, just so you guys are aware. Alright, so basically I ignore my dog, put the wings outside on a plastic bag and I poured drips onto the wings, and then with acrylic black paint from Michael's, and then I just smudged it out with a big paintbrush. I realized I was doing the wrong side, so halfway through I did flip it and I did the other side as well, and I just kind of poured it and smudged it and poured and smudged and kind of shook it so that it literally looked like the paint was dripping down the wings. Alrighty, here is the finished look. So basically I just shook acrylic paint onto my shirt and let it naturally drip, if you guys can see the drips. And let me show you the wings. Woo! The wings turned out great. They're a little bit loose, so I'll probably have to tighten them up. But here's the finished look. So I just decided to put my hair in a bun because the ends of my curls just kind of kept like slick and poofing. So you can use a wig if you want, and the final touch would be blackout contacts, but I don't actually have blackout contacts and I was too lazy. So you can definitely add blackout contacts, but here's the look. This is super, super messy, so you're gonna wanna wait. Oh, you see how much my lip is sweating? Hold on. But basically I just poured like stuff on my chest. For the shirt and the wings, I kind of just poured this on this, and then I took some of the hair paint, which is not safe, don't do that, and I just poured some of it on my neck. But I'm gonna risk my skin for you guys because that's how much I care about you having a great Halloween costume. So, oh wait, I gotta put something on my lips. Perfect. All right, and there we go, everyone. So shout out to Billie Eilish for coming up with this creative and awesome Halloween costume, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my Instagram because I may be doing some mini ones on my Instagram over there, so make sure you check that out at Court and Session. But all right, thank you guys so much, and make sure you have a great rest of your day and a happy Halloween. Stay safe, and remember, breathe positivity into the universe and it will come back to you. Bye. Alright guys, I gotta get inside before my neighbors call the cops and think that there's a literal maniac outside, because I'm pretty sure they're all looking at me out of their like little door window, so I really have to go. Alright, have a good one, bye. See you, bye.